Hey guys, this is a watch list video for Tuesday, July 1st. The market, pretty narrow range today, but breaking out to all-time highs. And I'm gonna go, well, let me pop this up real quick. Right there, pause the video and read that if you haven't. And I'm gonna go right into what we're watching tomorrow. I know I've been in and out a lot. I got company in town. By the way, I'm making this video with grandchildren in the room. So unless you're from Alaska, you won't care, right? Anyway, SOUN, nice volume, trying to break out of a range. Definitely want to watch that tomorrow. And let me type this right, NMAX. Hard to see unless maybe I zoom in, then you can kind of see the extra volume and the little mini breakout. Certainly could continue tomorrow, goes on the list. NEGG, big move today. Still has another recent high right here from a couple weeks ago. So we still want to watch that one. Plug, PLUG, also trying to break out. BLNE kind of flagging right here after this pop. This is my favorite chart of the day. CRML looks really good. You had this pop, then it broke this high right here. Now it's flagging a little bit. My favorite chart. As a matter of fact, let me switch to the one with the 200-day. All right, it looks even better now because the 200-day can act as a magnet. And with this breakout attempt right here, one rest day and then right back up. I really think this one might be ready to make a run at that 200-day. So it's my top watch for tomorrow. SDM, which I'd never heard of coming into today. Has only been trading, since looks like early May. Has a pretty strong chart though, so we want to watch that one. BULL, little extra volume today and maybe finally trying to break out of this range. It was my top after hours watch, but then I couldn't hang out in after hours. And it did run from 12 to it looked like it hit 12.50 in after hours. But also one of my top watches tomorrow. BBAI, little continuation from recent highs. Closing off its highs though, but it goes on a chart. BMNR, I hate to say this, I had this at $10.11, I think, or something like that from pre-market. And I left a car on the table, still a nice trade in. But anyway, crazy move. We're going to watch that one all week. BKKT. By the way, reminder, the market is closed on Friday. BKKT is just in a range, but I do think it's worth having on a chart. I love it over this area. It may not happen tomorrow, and it may never happen, but it definitely goes on the chart. Pony, I'm going to put on bounce watch after this day where they had the buyout rumor. Now you've got a couple days lower on declining volume. It could be ready to turn back up tomorrow. SGMT was on bounce watch, just goes right back on bounce watch. No trades in today. NKTR also goes right back on bounce watch, and then TMC, one of the rare earth plays, another red day, also goes back on bounce watch. And that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the pre-market as we build a list of gappers to add to this list. And it's chaos here, so we'll see you tomorrow.